How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left, you'll find this icon. Click on it. With that, your Snapchat gallery will open up. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Click on this option of My Eyes Only. Now to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password, click over here, Options. You'll get the pop-up, Change Passcode, Forget Passcode. In the case you know your previous passcode, click on this option of Change Passcode. But in the case you have forgotten your passcode, click on this option of Forget Passcode. If you have chosen the option of Change Passcode, type in your current passcode. Now type a new passcode for your My Eyes Only. Re-enter it. Check in for this option and then click on Continue. With that, you have just updated passcode for your My Eyes Only. Likewise, if you have selected the option Forget Passcode, you'll need to enter your Snapchat account's password and then click on Next. Now check in for this option I understand and click on Continue. Now generate new passcode for your account. Re-enter the passcode. Check in for this option and click on Continue. Passcode successfully changed. Click on Finish. So this is how you can easily reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.